This is recorded. Okay, you all are going to play a game. The game is in the pond on the bank. Okay, I will draw circle and she on everybody's table. Okay, this is in the pond. Okay, this is in the pond and on the bank you are going to play. You will have to keep both the palm inside this. Keep your palm, both the palm flat. Flat. Okay, come on. Each of you mark a circle. Yeah, mark a circle. Mark a circle. Okay, each of you are going to mark a circle and then keep your palm, both the palm in. Don't exchange. What is the rule during COVID? No exchange. Catch, let me see how good you can catch. Okay, so you people should have kept your palm inside the circle and name of the game is in the pond on the bank. Okay, in the pond on the bank. Oh, good, very good, very good. So if you are out, you will have to dance, you will have to sing, anything. Okay, your wish, whatever you are good at, you will have to do. Okay, now ready? In the pond is inside and on the bank is outside. You will have to keep both the palm out. Ready? In the pond, on the bank. 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 On the bank. So, your punishment is? What do you want from him? Okay, he will not dance. Okay, that was trials. Okay, ready? In the pond, on the bank. 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 On the bank. Even if little body movement, he will be out. Okay, in the pond, on the bank. In the pond, in the pond. So little movement also. Oh, okay, so he is going to sing one nice Ganesha song. Ready?
I don't know.
Rendu liner, 2 line. அம்மா திட்ட போறாங்க, நடா நீ கணேஷா பாட்டு பாடலையா அப்படின்னு. No, it's a recorded one and they will think, see, KV2 children are like this.
No, I will sing. I don't.
Okay, poem.
No,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
I sing.
Okay, sing. Shh, ready.
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरुवे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Very good. Clap for him, everyone. Very good. You are playing. You are still playing. 3 chance. If 3 times you are out, 3rd time will be a different punishment. Okay? Ready? In the pond, on the bank, on the bank. In the pond, on the bank, on the bank. So you will dance. 4 ஸ்டெப் போட போதும். 4 ஸ்டெப் மேலே நானே ஆடுறேன் யூடியூப்பில். Okay, what else we can ask, expect from her? சரி, ஸ்டாண்டப் காமெடி, மூவி டயலாக். சரி, என்ன பண்ணுற நீயே சொல்லு. நம்ம எல்லாருமே வந்து ஒரு எபிலிட்டியோடு பிறந்திருக்கோம். நமக்குள்ளே ஏதோ இருக்குது. சமையல் பண்ண முடியாது, அதுக்கு கண்டென்ட்லாம் வேணும், ப்ரொவிஷன் வேணும், இன்க்ரீடியன்ட் வேணும். சமையல் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். வேறு என்ன செய்ய முடியும் சொல்லு. ஓகே, டெல் அபவுட் யுவர் மாம் 5 lines in Hindi. அம்மா பற்றி 5 lines in Hindi. I in Hindi. Ready? இங்கிலீஷ்லையா? சரி, தமிழ்லையே சொல்லு. சரி, இங்கிலீஷில் சொல்லு. About your mother. ఏంటి? சரி, ட்விங்கிள் ட்விங்கிள் லிட்டில் ஸ்டார் சொல்லு. இத்தனை ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்துட்டேன், சீக்கிரம். My mother is cooking very well. கொஞ்சம் லவுடாக சொல்ல.
My mother good for me.
She is good for you.
Mama.
For ma. Okay, clap for her. Ready. Okay, in the pond, on the bank, in the pond, on the bank, on the bank, in the pond, in the pond, on the bank, on the bank. 2 வாட்டி உனக்கு சான்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கு. கொஞ்சோண்டு மூவ் பண்ணனா கூட அவுட்டு நீ. 2 வாட்டி உன்னை விட்டுருக்கேன். In the pond, on the bank, in the pond, in the pond, on the bank, on the bank, in the pond, in the pond. வா, திருப்பி எடுத்துட்டு வச்ச, திருப்பி என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? ஸ்விம்மிங் பண்ண, தண்ணி இல்லாமல் ஸ்விம்மிங். She is a swimmer, no? She is also a football player. Sir, English song ready? Okay, so name soludi. She is drawing the face. Okay?
The face. Supersonic. At least you are trying.
You have to draw it within 30 seconds. Challenge.
You are going to draw this stuff.
Ma'am, everyone can draw, ma'am. Set a time for her.
Yes, so 30 seconds is your time.
Try to stand up now. No, it's like Egyptian one. Dog like. One Egyptian like this here, big man and.
30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 16, 15, 14, 13, 11, 10,
3, 2,
7,
1.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Wow! Very good. Very good. Very nice. Super. Really super. If should have been given time, should have done more extraordinary. Yeah, very good. So, ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
In the pond, on the bank, in the pond, on the bank, in the pond, in the pond, on the bank, on the bank, in the pond, in the pond, in the pond, on the bank, on the bank, in the pond, in the pond, on the bank, on the bank, on the bank, in the pond, on the bank. Okay, two more things I'll add. On the land, you'll have to stand up. On the land, you'll have to stand up, and on the bench, you'll have to stand up on the bench. So 4 things I am adding. On the land, on the bench. So keep your bags down.
Ma'am, we are making sure everyone gets punishment.
Really? That's punishment, on the bench. You are playing game. Be careful, you should not get hurt.
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if I stand up in the fan will kill me.
Yes, ma'am. Shall I sit
You are
on the
that
fan?
corner, illa, on the corner.
No.
No, no, no. You stand up and see. இல்லையே உனக்கு இங்கே மார்க்கிங் அப்போ அங்கே பண்ணிக்கோ. Okay. You mark your circle. Mark your circle.
Ma'am, circle first down, ma'am.
No, this 4 things I have told, no.
Ma'am, like this, ma'am, you should jump and,
In the pond, on the bank also will be there.
like this, ma'am.
I will say that. Okay. Huh? Demo. Okay, ready? Now first sit. In the pond, on the bank, on the land, on the bench. So listen to me. I will give you, be careful when you are going on the bench. Okay? In the pond, on the bank, in the pond, on the bank, in the pond, in the pond, on the bank, on the bank, on the land, on the bench. ஓஹோ என்னடா ஆச்சு உனக்கு? ஓ அதுக்குள்ளே போகக்கூடாதுண்ணா, எல்லாம் ஓவர். On the land, on the land நிற்கணும்.
Like be safe and safe from corona and stay away from people who have COVID. And please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with the bot market.
Only you in gunpoint.
Yes.